Hello class 12. Today I am going to start with this chapter number 8, evidences and theories of biological evolution. Okay. The evidence of organic evolution derived from many lines of study indicate that present day forms have arisen by gradual changes from pre-existing form, and that more complex form have been derived or evolved from simpler form. The evidences of evolution are largely drawn from paleontology, paleontology, comparative morphology and anatomy, morphology and anatomy and embryology, cell biology, biochemistry, and molecular biology and geographical distribution and geographical distribution geographical distribution of organism. Now today I am going to start with the first evidences, that is evidences from paleontology. Evidences for paleontology. Okay. What is paleontology? The study of fossil is said to be paleontology. What is paleontology? The study of fossil. Evidence हमें कहाँ से मिल रहा है कि हम कहाँ से evolved हो रहे हैं? First, that is from the fossils. The study of fossil is called paleontology. This one is paleontology. Okay. The relics of some former living forms, living life form, that is that are plants or animals embedded in a dugout of the superficial deposit in past geological period is known as fossil. And the study of fossil is said to be paleontology. Fossils are mostly found in sedimentary rock. कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? In the sedimentary rock. Okay, the process of preservation of living beings or their parts in the form of fossil is known as fossilization. What is fossilization? The process of preservation of the living beings or their parts in the form of fossil is known as fossilization. This is continuous process. Fossil reflects the history of the past and hence are the true witness of evolution. Okay, fossils क्या है? True witness of evolution. Okay, fossils are true witness of evolution. Okay, and the formation of the fossil is called fossilization, where it forms in a sedimentary rock. Okay, now types of fossils. Second, types of fossils. Now, first form, petrification. Second, compression. Third one, incrustation. Fourth one, impression. Fifth one, coal balls. coal balls, and sixth one molds and cast, molds and casts, and seventh one unaltered fossil, unaltered fossils. Okay, are 7 types of fossils. First one is petrification, second compression, third incrustation, fourth impression, fifth coal ball, sixth mold and cast, and seventh one unaltered fossils. Okay, now first one petrification, preserve both external forms and internal structure of animal and plant. Okay, both internal and external structure. Internal and external, preserve both external and internal and external structure of plant and animal. ठीक है, दोनों के ही इंटरनल और स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर को प्रिजर्व करते हैं, दैट इज पेट्रिफिकेशन. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज कंप्रेशन, forms as a result of the burial of plants or their parts in sediments. These are used to study external morphology of the plant. External part only होता है, ठीक है, external morphology of plants. Okay. Now third one is incrustation. In the external forms of plant are preserved but internal structure are destroyed. इसमें जो external part होता है वो तो external forms of the plant is preserved, लेकिन internal structure are destroyed. External वाला तो preserve हो जाता है, लेकिन external क्या हो जाता है, destroy हो जाता है. Now next one is impression, formed when an organism or its parts come in contact with soft clay, extremely useful in study of the external features of organism. Now next one, coal balls, plant organs of roughly spherical shape in coal. Okay. Next, molds and casts provide external details of the body shape, size and form of organism in the form of mold and cast. Next, entire animal body get preserved in ice, petroleum spring and oil soaked ground. This is unaltered fossil. ऐसे का ऐसा पूरा animal क्या हो जाता है, प्रिजर्व हो जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज मिसिंग लिंक. In this fossil, missing link is a good example of this paleontology. Missing link. Missing link. Okay, missing link is example. Good example is Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx lithographica. Okay. Why it is called missing link? Because it is a missing link between the reptile and apes. Reptile and apes. इसमें दोनों के करेक्टेड थे, रेप्टाइल्स के भी एंड बर्ड्स के भी. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज मिसिंग लिंक बिटवीन द reptile and apes. Fossil records also provide the missing link between the two group of organism. An excellent example of such link is the fossil bird. It is Archaeopteryx lithographica. Okay, that lived in the Jurassic period about 170 million years ago. It shares the feature of both reptiles and bird. Its reptilian feature. Reptilian features क्या थे इसके? That is reptile features. पहला feature था that is presence of teeth. Teeth present थे. Second in jaws. In jaws, teeth present in jaws, and long tail, long tail, and with free caudal vertebrae, a weak and keelless sternum. Weak and keelless sternum. Okay, and solid bones and elongated lizard-like body. ठीक है. सॉलिड बोन्स, बोन्स कैसी थी, सॉलिड थी. बर्ड की कैसी होती है, हॉलो होती है. सॉलिड बोन्स एंड लिजर्ड लाइक बॉडी. एंड एप्स के क्या कैरेक्टर्स थे, एवियन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फर्स्ट वन, प्रेजेंस ऑफ फेदर्स, प्रेजेंस ऑफ feathers and on the body, four limbs modified into wings, four limbs modified into wings, and four toes in food adapted for perching, four toes and food adapted for perching. ठीक है, जैसे पेड़ पे बैठने के लिए उसके लिए अडेप्टेड थे. एंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ वी शेप्ड फर्कुला, वी शेप्ड furcula, and modified to beak and limbs bones are bird-like. These suggested that the bird have evolved from reptilian ancestor. Okay. Similarly, the paleontological records of camel, elephant, and man also be taken as the evidence of evolution. Okay. Now, second evidence, that is evidences from morphology and anatomy. Evidences from morphology and anatomy. Okay, first one, comparative. It is called comparative anatomy, is also called tactology. Tactology is also called comparative anatomy, the study of the comparative anatomy. Homology or homologous organs, or analogy or analogous organs. Okay, now we will discuss in next chapter, in next video.